Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where my white people taco night is different than yours. Bon appetit. Today we're going to make Quesabirria Tacos. Start with 3 pounds of cubed beef. Traditional birria is made of goat, but we can't have goat around here, so we're going to go with beef. This is beef round, 3 pounds of it. Let's just put it all in there. Now we're going to salt and pepper our beef. Get in there, just mix it up. Make sure all sides are evenly coated. With our pot over medium heat, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to start adding our beef to the butter. Now don't overcrowd your pan. We're going to cook this until it's golden brown on each side. Now that our meats are done, we're going to set them aside. To our pot, we're going to add 3 ancho chili peppers that we have removed the stems and seeds, 3 guajilos that we have removed the stems and seeds, and 4 chili arbol, 1 whole onion cut in half, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, half a teaspoon of cloves, and 6 cloves of garlic. And enough water to cover. Boil over medium heat for 30 minutes. Now that our peppers have boiled, we're going to transfer everything besides the liquid to the blender. And now we're going to add about 2 cups of beef stock. And now we blend. And don't forget to add 3 chipotles in adobo sauce. And 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes. And then blend it up again. To the pan, we add our meat back in there. The contents of the blender. Three bay leaves. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. The other 2 cups of beef broth. cook on high for 3 hours or until the beef is tender. I said 3 hours, but it only took me 2 hours. Now we're ready to start making the tacos. And now we're going to shred the beef. If you need to, use 2 forks. Or if it's tender enough, just use the spoon. Take your corn tortillas, dippy dip, throw her down. Take some of your meat and some shredded queso Oaxaca. Cook them on both sides for a minute or 2. Serve with a side of consomme, add some cilantro and onion. And now it's time to dig in. And for a Gringo, it's a darn good taco. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.